Alright, so Dyson just dropped their Spot+Scrub iRobot, and everyone's asking, is this the next must-have gadget, or just expensive hype? Let's get straight to the point. This thing is not a scam. It's a legit Dyson product, and it does a lot right, especially if you're into set-it-and-forget-it cleaning. The vacuuming? Actually pretty solid on hard floors. It knows how to spot debris and cranks up the suction when needed. But deep carpets? Honestly, you'll get better results with Dyson stick vacuums. Now, if you're more interested in mopping, this robot uses warm water and a self-cleaning wet roller, which is great for keeping floors fresh and odor-free. For everyday messes, it's effective. But let's be real. If you spill red wine or have caked-on spaghetti sauce, you're still probably grabbing a mop yourself. The AI is where things get interesting. It recognizes almost 200 objects, and the stain detection feature means it'll keep scrubbing until things look clean. But navigation is a mixed bag. Some users say it gets confused or struggles to dock, so it's not totally hands-off. Design-wise, the bagless self-emptying dock is actually pretty cool. No more fiddling with messy vacuum bags. But it's big. Like, where am I even putting this? Big. So if you live in a small apartment, heads up. Let's talk money. Around $1,100. That's premium territory. And you still have to buy the mopping detergent separately, which feels kind of stingy at this price point. Plus, there's some chatter that Dyson borrowed the design from another company, so the innovation factor isn't as high as you might expect. Bottom line, the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI robot is a powerful helper for daily cleaning, especially if you value convenience. But for the price, it's not flawless. If you need perfect navigation or deep carpet cleaning, or you're tight on space, maybe hold off. So, is it a game changer? For some, yes. For others, just